can't believe it. I can't believe it. Okay. Look. 16 gigs of RAM, terabyte SSD, and 16-inch version. I'm gonna eat and then we'll unbox it. It's time! It's time, everybody! It's time to unbox. Ugh. It's time to unbox it, guys. You better film. You just hold it with one hand. He's deep into eating, so don't expect much. Filming. Oh, look at this thing, designed by Apple, blah, blah, blah. Look at that, look at that. Oh my gosh. Look. Oh, look at this thing, guys. Oh, it's not as heavy as I thought it would be.
And yet you say, oh, when you lift it.
Well, yeah, but look at this. I'm just... And now... Ah! Look at the bottom! It says MacBook Pro at the bottom there. That's cool. Oh. Smells like a fresh apple product. Okay, so look, this is what I've been using over here, and this is a much darker space gray than this one. This is the MacBook Air 13-inch. This is the MacBook Pro 16-inch. So as you'd expect, I'm going to be switching over to that. Alright, so that I did that so I don't have to pixel it. Let's see this. It's a braided MagSafe cable. Oh, let's see what's in here. I know you're such a weakling kid. Let's see. Give me the stickers. Let's see. Is it? Oh. It's true. Black stickers.
Oh, black stickers.
That's nice.
Man. I guess if you go pro, you get that sticker. I guess.
Yes. I think there's a better way of doing that. Okay. How about? Oh! There. This is a... Oh, is this like a 100-watt brick? Like, this is huge! It's bigger than my hand! Oh. Alright, let's open this up. Let's get to it. There you go. Whoa! Look at this! Oh my gosh. Now this is incredible. Oh! Look! The keyboard is backlit. That's cool. Okay. Start. Yeah! It's working. English. Next.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Just make sure. Return, yes. Oh, right. Ooh! Well, guys, I'm going to be setting this up, so. Okay, so while that's transferring, let's see what else is in here. All right, you got the black apple stickers, which is so cool. What? Do you mind holding the camera?
I have got to get the fridge empty for those people.
Oh right, sorry guys.
You rushed it, remember?
Sorry guys, we are currently changing fridges. If that makes sense. Anyway. Alright, so we got our MagSafe cable. Alrighty. So let's do this. Okay, so let's talk about the MacBook Pro. Look, check it out. I love that the whole keyboard is black now, like this part. Like, look, it's so cool. I love that the whole keyboard is black now. And I'm about to pixelate the display, but look, everything's transferring right now, as you can see there. And look how big, wake up computer. And look how big this trackpad is. Like, look, that's massive. Compared to this itty bitty trackpad on the MacBook Air. And there's MacBook Air text right here, as you can see. But there's no text there for some reason. Probably because they decided there'd be text on the bottom. But that's just kind of strange. But I'll get used to it. I never noticed. All right. Oh, this is the beauty right here. Look, check it out. Here's an SD card slot, a USB-C port, which I was kind of wondering about because I've seen there's been problems with the MagSafe. And then look, there's an HDMI, literally HDMI port. Cinematic shot. Okay. Over here, you got the MagSafe port, another dual USB-C ports, and then a headphone jack. And then also over here again, you got an SD card slot, another USB-C port, and a HDMI slot. Ooh, that's a good shot. Wow, incredible people! Wow! And this is the 1 terabyte SSD model. But it's not M1 Max, it's M1 Pro. Because there's not really much difference, is there, DB?
M1 Max is overblown for what you need.
Yeah.
Yep.
Lucky! Because all I need to do is edit videos and do my schoolwork and stuff on it. Because we're homeschooled, right, DB? I am, not you. You're far past that.
I'm home tortured.
So am I. Guess what? Okay, so also, I use, the Final Cut Pro. Like, I'm competitive. Oh, spit all over it. I'm sorry.
Hope I don't spill this on it.
You better not.
I might get wild stirring it.
And by the way, we ordered one of the Apple polishing cloths, so there'll be an unboxing next year. There'll be an unboxing January 2nd, 2022. If that's whenever they ship. Okay, look at this. And this is a much, much darker space gray, as you can see. Compared to that one looks silver.
Yeah, by comparison, yeah.
Oof, that took a hard fall. But look at this, so incredible. Look, and they got rid of the thick, beefy board, fat bezels. And they fixed it. But there's a notch there, but you can't see it because they hit it with a dark background. I do the same thing, so. Can't really blame them, can we, DB? And look, this power brick is massive.
That's the biggest one I've seen.
This is huge. I think this is bigger than my iMac power brick.
Has to tell you a little bit about what batteries are in there.
Let's see. It's 140 watts. Big. Really big. Alright, transferring and stuff like that. And look, another difference that I guess I'm alright with because I've never used a touch bar. Mostly because I never had a MacBook with a touch bar. They got rid of the touch bar for full-size function keys, which I really don't care about because I've never had a MacBook with a touch bar. I've only seen those at Best Buy. So, And really, I wasn't that big of a fan of the touch bar. I mean, it was cool, but I probably wouldn't use it. Some people, wait, oh, whoops. I mean, like, it kind of confused people and stuff. In case you're wondering, that's the cardboard it came in. Look, see, this is much silver, and this is much space gray. Like, this is like the box too. Like, look, watch. Let me get the shot here. And I've had this MacBook, the MacBook Air over here for like over a year, a couple months. You might think, well, that's not that long to have a MacBook, but it is for me. Because I've never had a MacBook Pro. Have I?
No, never.
You have, though. You're old. So, you've had, like, the first MacBook. If you're wondering why there's phones here, this is a Windows phone. This is the iPhone SE. I don't know. I was playing with them. I got bored. Waiting. Like, look. But it looks kind of weird without the text there. It's like, where'd your identity go? Where'd your identity go? But they did swap. Let me make sure there's nothing behind here. But they did swap that out for the text at the bottom, as you can see there. And the feet on it are a little bit taller. Ooh, 30 megabits per second. That's fast. Anyway, that's fast. Almost died. I fell in the deep end shoe with my back. Oh. And by the way, I don't use SD cards. All I do is airdrop. I airdrop from my iPhone just to the MacBook. I don't use SD cards. So I probably wouldn't use this slot. But I do have a dock over here on my iMac where it has an SD thing, a micro SD. And I use a micro SD card slot sometimes for my GoPro. I have a GoPro. But guess what? I never use it. Lucky abandoned GoPro. I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys it. Here it is. It's the GoPro Hero 9. Hero 9 Black. Enter. Freaks! Anyway. Like, okay, let's see what else is in here. The Design by Apple in California stuff, like that. You already saw that earlier. Ooh, I did tap the focus. Let me stop recording real quick. Okay, guys, so we finally got the MacBook set up. Alright. Look, let's turn up the brightness for you guys. And it is incredible. I've already edited a video off of it. I'd show you, but it'll show stuff. Alright. And it is incredible. And I will do a review next month or so, right? Alright, and well guys, if you enjoyed today's video, if you did, leave a like and please subscribe. Help me hit 100 subscribers. My goal is to hit 100 subscribers by January. Alright, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.